How is everybody doing? This is a happy Monday, the beginning of the week. Today is March the 7th. Spring is shortly right around the corner. I think on the next week. Next week. So the weather, we're gonna have a little rain, but that's okay. That is okay, because when this rain is going, hopefully we can rest our brains, our mind, and just meditate and just have a peaceful afternoon. Listen to the rain, watch your favorite show, eat a little good food, have some good conversation, and so everything will be going great. I got up early this morning with great intentions. I'm pretty much on schedule with the things that I need to do for today, and I'm off for the next couple of days. So I have an agenda, and then I'm preparing lunch for myself. I'm gonna have this kale salad, some water, not too much. I had my breakfast this morning. I'm gonna have this, and then we'll see how the rest of the day goes. So caregivers, what's up with you? How is everything going? How is everything with you? How are you? How do you feel inside? How do you feel about yourself? How do you feel about your clients? Hopefully everything is well. Hopefully everything is going just as you need it to be. And if not, just focus on your mindset. Just focus on your mindset. Focus on meditation. Focus on movement. And if you're not feeling well, you can move. And if you're at work, you can be with your client. You guys can move and have a little exercise. And that rain's coming. And also think about manifestation time. Thinking about making your business dreams come true, things in your life, your personal goals that you have. Focus on trying to make those things happen. And what's important is meal preparation. Meal preparation, it saves you time, it saves you money, it keeps you creative, and it keeps you on track to eat healthy things. So you got your movement, your meal preparation, meditation, your mindset. Focus on these things this week so that you can have a happy and productive week, and so that your client, and also, have you a good playlist. And this is something I'm guilty of. Get a good playlist. Listen to music. And just move. Have good vibrations. And then when you're happy, you're gonna put that energy onto your clients. That energy is gonna spread and flow, and everybody's gonna be happy. So focus on mindset. Focus on meditation. Focus on meal preparation. Focus on movement. Focus on manifestation, and focus on music. Yes, girl. Focus on those things. So everyone have a beautiful and blessed week. I'm sure I'll be in and peep at you and have something else to talk about. So in the meantime, be happy and move and have a good mindset.